This equals 12 minus 6 all squared. Then divide by 6. And this equals 12 minus 6 gives us 6 squared. This square here, divide by 6. From here, 6 squared equals 36. Divide by 6. And 36 divided by 6 equals 6. But this is totally wrong. Now, let's solve this question in the right way. The question was 12 squared minus 6 squared divided by 6. Now, this numerator is different of 2 squared. It is in the form of a squared minus b squared. And this equals a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay, now this equals this difference of 2 squared. So if we express this numerator in this form, we are going to have 12 plus 6, then multiply by 12 minus 6, and we'll divide everything by 6. Okay, so from here, 12 plus 6 will give us 18, then times 12 minus 6 will give us 6 again. Okay, then we'll divide everything by 6. So from here, we are going to multiply 18 by 6. Okay, and if we do that, we are going to have 108, then divide by 6. And 108 divided by 6 will give us 18 as the final answer. Now let's look into expression 108 minus 108 times 4 divided by 7 in parentheses 7 minus 5 all squared. Now for you to solve this particular question in the right way, you have to use the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Okay, now where P is parentheses, E is exponent, M is multiplication, and D is division, A is addition, and S is subtraction. And please note that multiplication and division are of the same priority. Okay, that is to say, whenever you have multiplication and division in an expression, irrespective of their position, you have to solve from the left to the right. And for addition and subtraction, both of them are of the same priority as well. Okay, you have to solve from the left to the right if you have both of them in an expression. Okay, so from here, the first thing we are going to do is to rewrite this whole fraction. Okay, so we are going to have 108 minus 108 times 4. We'll put this in parentheses, then divide this division line here, open parentheses, 7 minus 5 all squared. Now looking at this first parenthesis, because according to the order of operation, we have to attend to the parentheses first. Okay, so looking at the parentheses, the first parenthesis here, you can see that we have subtraction and multiplication. And what most people did was to subtract first and multiply, and they got the whole of this 0. But that is wrong, because multiplication is of high priority to subtraction. So we have to multiply before subtracting. Okay, now 108 times 4, let's write it here. So we are going to have 108 minus 4. 4 times 8 is 32. So write 2 and keep 3. Let's keep 3 here. Okay, now 4 times 0 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0, sorry, plus this 3 is 3. So write 3 here. And 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 432. When you multiply 108 times 4, it will give you 432. Okay, so this will still be in parentheses. Then divide by open parentheses 7 minus 5 all squared. Now in our next step, we are going to subtract this. Okay, now we have 432 minus 108. We have to do it this way. Later we'll rewrite it. Okay, so from here, 2 minus 8 is not possible, so we'll take 1 here, and here will be 12, while this one is remaining 2. 12 minus 8 will give us 4, and 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So we are going to have 108 minus 432 give us minus 324. Then divide by open parenthesis 7 minus 5 all squared. So from here, we are going to have minus 324 divided by 7 minus 5 equals 2 squared. Okay, so we have minus 324 divided by 2 squared is 4, and minus 324 divided by 4 will give us negative 81 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please share your thoughts in the comment section and share this video. Bye.